So guys, let me analyze the market for you guys. As you already know, we don't miss this thing. So guys, let me analyze the market for you, and I'm going to place my trades, and I will update you on how my trades are going to go. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's meet into the video as I analyze the charts and I show you the progress of my trades. Okay, so already know we don't miss it.
So I have already deleted, let me delete all my workings, yesterday's working. Okay, so the overall trend of this market, as we can see, we are on a daily time frame. I'm using my browser, this is not an app. Okay, so the overall trend of the market, as we can see, it's an uptrend, but based on intraday traders. So this is a daily time frame. Okay, so as you can see, for me right now we are on a downtrend, so we shall consider selling this market, because we can see there is this trend line acts as a channel into this market. So what we are going to do, we shall go down to a lower time frame and wait for this price to come up to this point, and then continue with the downward movement. Okay, so that's what we are looking for. Okay, so let's go into a 1 hour time frame and see how it behaves. So in a 1 hour time frame, this is how the our market behaves. So right as I have told you, okay, this is a impulsive move and a corrective move. Impulsive move, corrective. This is just a correction. Although in our correction move, let me delete this, we can also find a very good trades, correction moves. Okay, we are waiting for this price to come up to this point, and then we take our sales. Okay, so though on this same uptrend, we have another channel here that's a correction move. Okay, so this is just a correction, so that is it come back to its downtrend movement. Okay, let's draw this channel. This is a channel that our market is following. So same to this pair, you can get here your buy trades. Okay, you can get here your buy trades and you buy up to this trend line. So let's draw our zones. I can see a very interesting zones here that the market has come to retest. Alright, so that's a zone. Okay, so you can see the market has come and break this zone from here. Okay, has break and come and retest the zone. As you can see here, this was a very good opportunity for you to take your buy opportunity as well. When the market came into this trend line, this is where you will capitalize your trades and make your own decision of buying this market up to this trend line. So if I were in the market at the right time, I could have got this trade from here to here, so, and my take profit could be right there. Okay, so but I am late on this trade, but I'm looking for an opportunity to buy this market, to sell this market. If trade goes up to this trend line, I will come and sell this market from there. Of course, the market moves in a upward and downward movement. Okay, all right, so that's how I could have capitalized that trade. So let me come to 15 minutes time frame and see if I could get in an entry to this trade. If I don't get an entry, I just call it a day, because there is another day other than this, or I go to other pairs. And so let me mark this zone that the market has broken. This is a 15-minute time frame on the same GBPUSD. I just want to catch this buy trade on GBPUSD. As you can see, the market has broken this zone. So what I'm waiting is I'm waiting for this market to come to go break and retest okay, so that's what I'm waiting for. But I can as well go into this market right now and buy it, though my risk will be so big. This will be 1:2 or what? So 1:2. So this is how you can catch this whole move of this market, as you can see. But you can put your risk there. Yes. So I'm going to buy this pair right now, and I will update you on how this trade is going. So I'm going to buy this pair up to that point, up to 1.25673. okay, so let's
trend to a bearish trend. So I'm waiting for this market to come up to my point of interest, then I take a buy trade. This will work automatically, I just show you on my phone on how this trade will go. So as you can see, my watermark, this is GBPUSD. So this trade will go as I have predicted, because I really trust my analysis. You can as well do this. This is just a simple. Let me first look on how this is a very good trade. As you can see, the market is retracing back. This is just a retracement. You can't be full with this retracement that is a sell. So this trade is just retracing up to this point of. It's just retracing up to this point here, this zone, and after that it will go up. Okay, so you can capitalize on this trade. This is a very, so what you can do with this trade is this: when it comes down, you continue adding more positions. Okay, you can as well take your PIPS retracement from here, from down here up to that upper point there, and you can see our point of interest is at 0.50 zone. Okay, so that's a very good trade to capitalize on. So I will update you on how this trade goes.
So guys, this is the trade that I've already took. So let me go forward and set my stop loss. We are now on profits, so let me go forward and put my take profit and stop loss on this. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Bye.